guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another exciting video. The weather is very so nice right now. Welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another exciting video. The weather is very so nice right now. Today I'm here with a very brand project that everybody heard that this project just because of the brand value and the quality they delivered in Gurgaon. The people trust a lot, and here the location is Sector 113 and you guessed right, it's Tata Laveda. So here everything is sold out because it is a very quality project just because of the quality they delivered and the location itself. So firstly I just want to tell you the little bit brief about the project. So firstly I just want to tell you the location. This project is located in Sector 113, the bang on location of the Dwarka Expressway. And if I'm talking about the connectivity to the Delhi, so Dwarka जो दिल्ली का द्वारका है वो just 5 से 6 किलोमीटर है यहाँ से. And secondly it's all the connected to the Gurgaon also, very good connectivity. And it's about the project. This project is approximately 12-acre land parcel and it has the 3 typology, which is the 2 BHK, 3 BHK plus servant, 3 BHK plus servant and the family lawn itself. 2 BHK and the 3 BHK plus 7 and the family lawn is sold out. Only the available is 3 BHK and the servant also. And the size is 2217 square feet only. And if I'm talking about like how many towers in this project, only the 8 towers in this particular project. The land parcel is 12-acre land parcel, like the 70% greenery area, and the most importantly, they are providing all the luxury amenities on this particular project, 35 plus amenities. People are just paying for the high amenities only, that's it. अगर कोई भी घर को स्विच करके अगर अपार्टमेंट लेता है तो रीज़न सिर्फ और सिर्फ अमेनिटीज़ होती हैं एंड द क्वालिटी ऑफ द अमेनिटीज़. So Tata Laveda is providing all the luxury amenities in this. So today I'm here to go inside the clubhouse of the particular project. So just come with me and I'm showing you the luxury amenities of the Tata Laveda. So please come. So hey guys, welcome to the Tata Laveda clubhouse. So please come. So basically this is a library area, a very huge library area. So this is also the sitting area and this is the kids play area. So look at the size, a very spacious gym area they are providing in the Tata Laveda. Like all the high amenities they are providing in the particular project. The good branded machines are there in the gym itself. So now I'm just moving to the first floor where all the indoor activity area is there. So now I'm just moving forward to the indoor activity area. This is the lift area, you can use it, and there is the stairs also. So basically this is the indoor activity area. All the indoor games are here, like the table tennis, carom, the chess area, the pool is also here. And this is also the sitting, a very good sitting area, which you can utilize it with the short functions also, your meeting also. This is the sitting area also. So now I'm just moving to the sample apartment of the 2217 square feet, the 3 BHK plus 7, which is currently available right now. Only the limited units are left, approximately 7 to 10 units, that's it. 2 BHK and the 3 BHK plus 7 and the family lawn is almost sold out. So guys, now I'm into the sample apartment of the 3 BHK plus 7 and the size is 2217 square feet. So let's move forward to the sample apartment. Please come. So now I'm just moving forward to the sample apartment of 3 BHK plus 7. Before moving it, I'm just going to show the lift area. This is the lift lobby. 2 lifts we are providing and the 1 is for the service lift. So the huge spacious living and dining area. रॉ फ्लैट की सबसे अच्छी बात ये होती है कि जो साइज है ना, बहुत अच्छे से दिखता है कि हाँ कितना साइज है, तो वो एक अच्छी बात होती है रॉ फ्लैट को देखने में. So that is why I'm showing the raw footage of the sample apartment. So this is the first BHK, the first room, and this is attached balcony, the huge balcony, the running balcony I can say. This is long running balcony which is attached to the 2 bedroom. So this is the passage, the washroom, the powder room I can say, and this is the second bedroom. The huge bedroom is there. They are providing the wooden flooring in it, and this is the area also they are providing, which is the closet I can see. This is the master bedroom. Right here you can made all the closet here and put your clothes there, and this is the attached washroom here. So please see. Now I'm just moving forward to the third bedroom of this apartment. This is the third bedroom, and this is the attached balcony. The huge balcony is there. The view is also very good. And this is the attached washroom in it. Like all the branded amenities they are providing, all the appliances they are providing in this washroom, in the every washroom of the flat. So this is the sample apartment, and I already told you there are the limited units available. Only the approximately 7 to 8 units only available for the 3 BHK plus 7. So don't wait much because the possession is also just nearby. This is a very trending project just because of the ready to move in format also. So like possession is coming like March 2024. So don't wait much. Call and mention number, and we will help you out, provide you the best deal in the town. So guys, see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. I will see you in the next video. No matter where you are, I will find you and show you the best view of Gurgaon. So see you guys in the next video with another project update. Till then, bye. Take care.